everyone, JKD Sifu Mike Goldberg with JKD Sifu Ray Bray in Halton City. Welcome again to another JKD Old Fart Friday night session. Tonight we're going to cover a full body tackle on the lower part of our body. Now when this happens to me, I just instinctively, as far as footwork, slide back or step back. You can pick whichever one feels right for you if you're like me and go back on the initial attack like this. I also, as I do the stepping back motion or slide step motion, both of my hands go down and up to the back of the shoulders of my attacker, and then I get out of dodge real quick. Ray's got some Powerline targets here because he's going to come in later on, and I'm going to demonstrate how hard you should be hitting. But you want to make sure your students don't get hurt when you're practicing this, all right? Okay, Ray, let's just take this thing. Hands here in defense position. Whack! And get out of the way. You okay, Ray?
Yes.
Okay. Now Ray's going to go like this for the hand targets. And I go here. Bang! And then I get out of the way. Really, so one more time. Bang! Get out of the way. Well, we hope you liked this session. And don't forget, subscribe, share with your friends, give us a like, maybe a rumble. But always remember, be aware,
Be safe.
there you go.